YouTube family, welcome back to my channel, y'all. We have come to the grand finale of the takeaway challenge, y'all. We are on day 3, and on day 3 we have to be blindfolded while we're eating with our non-dominant hand. Yes, that is right. I have to cover my eyes fully. Use chopsticks to eat these noodles. So I have 3 packs of GORENG, the hot and spicy noodles. I have a boiled double yolk egg. I got some onions cut up in the noodles. Cucumbers. I have some shrimp tempura right here. I have some dipping sauce right here. Y'all, I'm excited to eat, but I'm not excited to do this blindfold. So y'all, I'm trying to tell y'all, listen, y'all about to get a good laugh, because hopefully, I don't know, I'm gonna try to use my senses. I'm gonna try to drum up my other senses. Y'all, I'm dead serious. Like, seriously, I was watching some of the other mukbangbulls do these challenges, man. First of all, Big Mac was one of the funniest ones. His was hilarious. You Love Shawty's was funny. All of them. And Lips, like, he did a seafood boil. Like, what? So, I'm about to attempt to do this. Hopefully, I finish everything coming out strong, y'all. I'm trying to come out strong. Before we get into this video, y'all, go ahead and give this video a like. Make sure you're sharing it with everyone. Comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. And also, before we get into this video, y'all, pray for me. That's all I'm gonna say. Just shout me out to pray. Here. Alright, let me just, okay. I got my water here on the side. Let me take a drink. Hold up. Okay. Let me just scope everything. Noodles to the left, cucumbers, shrimp tempura, and dipping sauce, eggs. Okay. Y'all, this is about to be a trip, but here we go. Here we go. I got a headband, but I tried it doubled like this. Y'all, I tell you, it's tight enough that it keeps my eyes closed, so I can't even try to open them right now. So, OMG. Y'all, I'm going off a straight memory right now. Okay. Alright. Noodles. Right? Hand down, because look, I'm right. Oh my God. Yo. Terrible. Okay, I feel weight on the thing, so hopefully. Wait, oh my. Yo. I'm sorry, y'all. I sound like that little dog that be like. I feel the noodles. Where is the things at? Y'all gonna be laughing at myself. Hold up. I feel it. Where? Oh, here we go. Okay. Y'all, these noodles good. Alright. Can I get... Oh, shoot. Did I drop something? I'm gonna have to... What did I drop? Did I drop something, y'all? Y'all got to tell me. Okay, I got a shrimp tempura. Where the dip? Where the dip? Right here. Okay. Dip. Okay. Here we go. These are good. Where the dip? Right here? Dip. Okay. Hold up. Alright. Okay. I want a cucumber. I'm gonna get a cucumber. I don't care what you say. You probably like, she ain't getting no cucumber. Yeah, I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna stab it. I'm gonna stab it. Did I stab one? Did I stab one? Yo! Oh my God. I got something. Oh my God! Cucumber! Go me. It smells like Yes, that was worth celebrating. Okay. Yo, this is surreal. This is actually surreal. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Okay. I think I'm on the noodles. Am I on the noodles? Alright. Why is it... Okay. Y'all, these goreng noodles be so good. I ain't even gonna cap y'all. Let me see if I can get a big bunch of it. Y'all, how am I doing? Alright. Let me see if I can grab a shrimp tempura with this chopsticks. That might not work. That might not work. I'm gonna grab another cucumber though. Let me grab another cucumber. Hold up. I'm gonna stab it. Oh! Now. The eggs is what's about to be a trip. How close am I to the eggs? Am I there? Where is it? Is this the egg? That's the egg. Okay. Alright. Can I get that? Y'all, can I get this egg? Can I stab it? What I got? Oh my god! I got him. Okay. That egg good. Y'all, this is trippy. Like, for real. This is really trippy. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't grab nothing. Hold up. I thought I had it. Stab it. Can I stab it? What's that? Nothing. Okay. Nothing again. Okay. All right. Hold on. Because I was doing good. Don't come for me. Hold up. Hopefully I'm not hot in my face, y'all. Hopefully. Nothing. Okay. All right. Hold on. Stab something. Oh, I lost it. Dang nabbit. Stab it again. There we go. Oh my god. Yo. You have to think so hard about where the food is. You can't even really taste it. Yo, when I tell y'all these noodles are so good, they got a little spice to them, but they are delicious, okay? I don't feel nothing on that. Hold up. Alright. It feels crazy, but I feel like I'm not doing that bad. What y'all like? Y'all like, comment and let me know, cause y'all can see what I'm doing right now. I can't, but I feel like all right. Let me get another shrimp with a dip. This the dip. I feel it. It feels sticky. That's the dip. Dip, baby. That dip, baby. And y'all, for my dip, I got a sweet chili. Wait a minute. Oh, I feel like, is this a dip? Nope, that ain't the dip. Hold up. What am I dipping? Is this it? Okay. I got sweet chili sauce. So that's the dip. Yo, but the shrimp tempura is so good. Y'all gotta try that. Just the regular sweet chili little sauce for real. Okay. Alright. Okay. I just hope that I am not dropping stuff anywhere. Now, reason why I'm stabbing these cucumbers, y'all, it's gonna be hard. It's already hard. Okay. I'm trying to pick a cucumber up because it's gonna be slippery. Alright. I'm gonna try to pick one up though, like regular. I think I did though. Let me just try again. Come on. Where is that? Nothing. Okay, hold up. There, I got it. Hold up. It's like I'm trying to. Oh, maybe I should come from the side. Let me see. Y'all, oh my goodness, this is like. I'm not peeking at all. I'm trying to. This thing is like, I gotta keep my eyes closed. Babe. Okay, I was making sure that's you. All right. Lock the door here because I can't see nothing here. I don't want nobody coming up on me. Alright. Let me see if I can come from the side to get a cucumber. Okay, nothing. Alright, I'm going to just go back to the noodles. Because I'm going to have to stab the cucumbers, y'all. I'm going to have to stab them. Now, y'all, where's the other egg? Is it here? I'm gonna push it back. Is this the egg? Wait a minute. What's this? What is this? What's this? I don't know what that is. Is this noodle? Okay. That's noodle. Now, did I put the egg somewhere? Where is that egg? How far? Oh, wait a minute. What's this? Is this the, wait, what is that? Is that it? I feel, where is that daggone egg? I don't know. Oh, nothing. Okay. I gotta stab these cucumbers, y'all. They gotta get stabbed. Y'all, this so... Let me move this back. I feel it on the edge. Sorry, y'all. I felt the noodle on the edge. I don't want it to fall in my lap. Lord have mercy. What was I grabbing? What was I grabbing? Nothing. The noodle said not so. Dang. It felt like, hold up. It felt like something was on there. I know I ain't tripping. What's that? What's this? Okay. A little bit of noodle. Hold up. Y'all need a paper towel. Hold up. Okay. Let me get one. Oh my goodness. Paper towel. Alright, what I'm looking like? Okay, I don't feel nothing. Alright. Okay. Alright. Hold up. Ooh, excuse me. Where's my drink? Oh. Let me reach over with this hand. Hold on with that. I'm gonna bring it over here. Y'all got some more of that pomegranate lemonade. Deer Park sparkling water. That water good. Alright. As if I need anything to make my nose run, right? That fell off. Hold up. Okay. I think I got something. Okay. No. On the low, I know how to do stuff. I'm lying, y'all. I'm really going off memory right now. Dang, nothing. Where is that? I feel like it's like somewhere right here. You know what I'm saying? Man, I wish I wanna, you know what? Cause at this point, this is what I'm resulting to. Where's that egg? I want that egg. I want the egg. Where is it? Where is it? Is this it? Is that the egg? What's that? Noodle. That's noodle. Y'all, did the egg drop? Did the egg drop? Shoot. I don't even know. All right, let me see. Where is it? There you go. There you go. Okay, right there. All right, right there. All right. Okay. I knew it was somewhere nearby. All right. That's it. That's it right there. Is that it? That's it. Right? That's it. I think that's it. Noodle! That ain't it. That ain't it. Dang nabbit. I just touched it. Stab it. Y'all, my hand tired. My daggone shoulder and my arm is tired. Where is, you know what? I got the. No, we gonna get me this egg. That's what we about to do. That's what we about to do. Where you go? This it? Here we go. Got it. I want to dip it in some of the juice of the noodle. I know that's back here somewheres. Somewheres. I don't think I hit no juice. I don't know. Is that juice? That tastes kind of dry. Am I dipping in any type of juice, y'all? Some juice over here. I know I seen juice. Nope, no juice. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I just knew I was dipping it in the juice. It's alright though. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. The fact that I'm able to use these chopsticks with this left hand, I'm not gonna cap. I did not know I could do that because I didn't think that it was gonna be able to happen. Is this the dip? That's not. I don't feel like dip. I don't feel like dip. This is the dip. Come on, dip. What you doing? Here we go. Y'all, my napkin. I'm gonna do it with my napkin. Oh, here we go. These shrimp tempura, I told you I got from the Asian market. And I tell you, they are so good, like so good. Okay, I'm gonna thug it out. I'm about to just straight up thug it out and try to eat this whole thing, or at least until I get full, like this. I'm gonna thug it out. I'm gonna just throw it and thug it. I'm gonna see how many of these cucumbers I'm gonna leave on here. Y'all, these noodles is so good. Oh my god. See, the key is you gotta feel for the textures, right? And like the weight, you know what I'm saying? So like right here, I know I'm all up in the noodle, right? I remember from memory, the cucumbers is somewhere in this vicinity, right? So I go right here and stab it. Ah! Ooh. Okay. Noodle and cucumber. That's cool. Got it. And the shrimp tempura, they over here, but I ain't gonna be able to grab it with this. Nope, it's gonna slip, y'all. I know it's not gonna stay. Uh-oh, wait a minute. How many, what the hell? Yo, did I just hit the daggone dip? Wait a minute now. I felt so cold to my lip now. No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to pick up the dip. Did I really just have the dip though? I know you lying. Do I got... Y'all, really? That's what y'all gonna let me do? Alright, bet. Alright, no, I got y'all. I got y'all. Oh, let me pick up the little soft bottom thing. That's cool. Nope, it's cool. It's cool. I ain't even mad at y'all. Them noodles in that particular area are still very, very warm. And they in the sauce. The noodle sauce, that is. Y'all, these noodles are so good. And y'all know the ring packs are like kind of small. So I did 3 packs, so it's probably like 2 regular packs of noodles. You know? See, the good thing too, you put stuff where you remember it. Okay? That's what you gotta do. You gotta let these other senses go and kick in. Right? I hope I'm looking at y'all. I feel like because I put the, so I should be looking at y'all. So, hopefully that's right. Okay. A little crunch of onion. So good. What's this? Oh, that's nothing. Okay. Yep. Nope. All right. What is this? A cucumber. Oh! 2 cucumbers. Yes. Twinsies. Okay. I don't even know I did that. Okay. So, y'all know I'll be fancy sometimes. Okay. Did I eat all the cucumbers? Nope. This one. What's this? What's this? Here go another one. Nope. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay. Wait. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? And y'all, I can't tell the time. So. Hoping the video not too long. I think I lost the cucumber, y'all. I lost the cucumber. Is this? Am I in this? Am I? Okay. Okay. I can feel it when it go in. The shrimp into the dip, y'all. Get y'all mouths together. I can feel the shrimp when it's dipping. Y'all know what I'm saying. Okay. It's good. Even though I can't see what I'm doing, food's still busting. Still gotta do the happy dance. Alright. I really wish I could find that cucumber. It would be funny if I know it's like somewhere right here. Ain't it? Ain't it? I know it is. I know it's like somewhere right here. What's this? What's that? Oh, sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. That's sparkling water. Maybe I ate it. Did I eat it? That was nothing. I know I eat all this noodle. I know there gotta be some more. I'm about to say, I know I eat all these noodles. What's this? Nothing. Okay. It's like I can feel. What's that? I can feel noodle. My son already like, can you save me some noodles? Like, excuse me? It's my dinner for one. Y'all already ate dinner and wait. Okay. They will eat what you eat no matter if they full or whatever. Yep, that was sauce. Okay. I got the sauce. I got the sauce, y'all. I got it. This is my last shrimp. Tempura. Get a zip. There go the zip. There go the zip. Y'all, I legit have had my eyes closed the entire time. I did not cheat. I don't want nobody was like, she could see. Alright. I could not. Oop. Wait a minute. That's a little bit of shell. Don't want that. Okay. Oh, cucumber! I found one. I knew it. Cucumber. Alright. Oh, nothing. Am I done with these noodles, y'all? What am I gathering? Yo, what am I? Oh, it's some right here. They right there. That's why they all to the back. Am I gathering up anything? I feel like I kind of am, but I might be not. Nope. Where's that? Is this noodle? Nope. Did I eat all the noodles, y'all? I might have ate all the noodles. Okay. What is that? It's something right here. It's something right here. And it's more than just one noodle. Y'all, I'm not tripping. This stuff right here. What's this? Yo, Jesus Christ, this arm is tired, baby. Tired. Yo, that shrimp tempura was good. Alright, at this point, I'm just about to feel for these cucumbers. Alright, here they go. Bow. Where's that juice? Is that juice right here? Right here? Nope. Right in there. Is that juice right here? It gotta be some juice right here. Okay. There's some juice over here. A little bit of juice. I ain't feel juice on the other side. Hold up. What is this? What is this? What's this? What is this right here? This is a noodle. I knew it. Y'all forgive me. I wanted that noodle. Okay? Judge your mother. I wanted the noodle. Okay? Alright? I know it's another one somewheres. What's that? I'm just saying. So, I'm eating these cucumbers, y'all. I want some juice. Ooh. Ooh! Ooh! I found a bunch of noodles. Y'all. There's a bunch right here in this corner, I think. I know you're lying. What? I didn't know cucumber. Oh, I found some noodles. Alright. Because that's about to get real messy. Woo! I do apologize for the savage eating at the end. But let me see if I can try one more time for these noodles. Now I know they over here. One more time. Am I scooping up in here? Okay. I'm scooping up something. What's this? There's some noodle. Nope. Okay, that's nothing. Okay. Okay. Do the circle. Okay. Do it in the circle. Alright, that's nothing. Alright, you know what? Bet. Y'all, I am done. Okay. Hold up. Let me take a drink before I lift my blindfold. Let me see how I did. Oh, the light. The light is bright. Oh my God. Yo, that light is bright. Oh. Hold up. Hold up. I gotta adjust. Hold up. Jeez. That light is bright as heck when you ain't got when you not looking at it. Like what? Oh, look at me. They're good. Like, wait. But I definitely did the hand at the end. I got all this noodle right here though. Well, not a lot. Y'all, that was so good. But anyway, y'all comment, let me know how y'all think I did. And when I tell y'all I did not see anything, like I literally had my eyes closed like this, because this is like a headband for real. So this was tight on my eyes where I couldn't even open them if I wanted to. And that was, it was fun. It was difficult and it was hilarious all at the same time. Excuse me, y'all. But thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you staying to the end to see how I did with this challenge. This was so much fun. For anybody else who may start challenges, please tag me because I will definitely participate as long as I can. And I already called out the people in my first and second videos. So I don't know if we've been calling out different people that whole time. But for those that I did call out, I cannot wait to see y'all videos. And yes, thank you so much to the mukbangbulls for even starting this challenge. Like, this was very much a very fun challenge. So to Lips, You Love Shawnee, Big Mac in Sam's World. I do appreciate you guys. So thank you guys again. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until the next time I see you guys, take care of your mind, take care of your heart, take care of your soul. And thank you for praying for me. That's how I was able to get through everything. You know what I'm saying? Y'all the real ones. Appreciate y'all. But no, for real, y'all. Until next time I see y'all. Bye. Mwah.